So what do I think a quantum entanglement is? I think a quantum entanglement is the non-physical energy intersecting with the stated desire. The non-physical energy of intention intersecting with the physical stated desire. And we know that's wrong because you just said that would be a quantum intersection and not a quantum entanglement. So what do I think a quantum entanglement is? What do I think it means? Well, with regard to manifestation, right. So what do I think a quantum entanglement means with regard to creation of a universe on this plane of existence? Well, first off, step in anytime you want. So we have said to you in a previous video called How Reality is Created that your thought projects against quantum light packages and appears to create your reality, which is actually a broadcast or projected reality. So, in fact, you are not seeing anything more than what you are seeing that is directly in front of you. And anything that is not directly in front of you does not, in fact, exist because you have not entangled it in the quantum level. So what we are saying to you is that quantum entanglement is not the intersection of thought or desire and non-physical or spiritual energy. No, it is similar, but it is not the same. Quantum entanglement is the spiritual, non-physical energy of quantum light packets. Quantum light packets that are reflecting the thought energy of your intended desire. Do you understand? So what we have explained in the video entitled How Reality is Created is actually a very simplified answer to what quantum entanglement actually is. And that is your stated desire or intention through the vibration of your tone and speech and inflection interacts with the quantum light packets in the non-physical and broadcasts or reflects or projects back to you that requested desire. So how does this work with regard to financial things? The very same way. There's no difference. It doesn't matter if you're trying to manifest a bearskin rug or $1 million. It's still the same entanglement. And so we hear you say, I'm confused and I don't know how to manifest this money that I need so desperately for the things that I need. And we say to you, entangle with the quantums of light that which you choose to experience, that express that which you desire to create. Express only that which you desire to create. Express it in your thoughts, express it in your words, and express it in your deeds. And as you learn today, 90% of your thought throughout the course of a day is subconscious thought. So you must program not only your conscious mind, but you must also program your subconscious mind to let go of the blocks and issues that prevent this energy from flowing to you, or the blocks and issues that prevent your quantum light packets reflecting back the projected desire that you have intended to live. Again, child, we know this is very confusing and you're not understanding what's tumbling from your lips, but when you listen to it, you will understand. Quantum entanglement is explained in the video we said we called how reality is created, how physical reality is created. If you really want a simpler answer, simply listen to that video again, because it is all quantum entanglement is the interaction, the repeated interaction of your desired thought processes on a conscious and subconscious level, interacting with the quantum packets of light that are simply reflecting back to you your thought. They're not delivering a package of money, or they're not delivering a new wardrobe or a new car. They're simply delivering back to you your projected thought. So whatever your strongest projected thought is that you are having the most frequently will be your brightest projected broadcast image that you will receive in this reality and that you will receive in this experience and consider your reality. It's very simple. Much like the science of RBTI that your dear doctor friend has discovered and found, that is so complicated it can explain how a cell is created. Yet it is so simple that your medicines are all around you and can serve to heal you in just hours. Where you live is a miraculous place. Where you live is not mundane. It is not boring. It is not same-o. You actually do not live the same experience day after day after day after day like you feel you are recently. You're not. You're creating on a quantum level, meaning you're creating at the light level, the level of light and vibration at the heavenly level. The trick is to be aware of what you're thinking in the 90% of your day. What are you thinking in the 90% of your day? What did you think 90% of your day today? Actually, I don't remember what I thought my 90% of my day today. I really don't even remember. And that's our point, child. When humanity begins to pay attention and take their minds off autopilot, they will find that they have a much more enriched, loving, and colorful experience. Quantum entanglement is not hard to understand, child. They intend for you to not know what it is. So they use all these big words and all these big, scientific terms that a physicist would have to sit down to decipher. Where they should be able to say it is as simple as your thought and desire, the vibration of your thought, desire, word, and deed, intersecting repeatedly, quantum entanglement, not just a quantum intersection, but repeatedly interacting with the quantum light packets that will eventually broadcast or produce your desired outcome. Again, they don't deliver cars, they don't deliver wardrobes, they don't deliver satchels of money, but they deliver the projected image you have offered. So if you have offered a Volkswagen as your image, you're not going to get a Cadillac. You understand? If you have offered a burlap sack for your wardrobe, you are not going to get a 2,000 square foot closet. You understand? For the universe returns to you that which you desire, that which you assume you deserve, that which you are worthy of. And if you do not understand that you are a child of God and worthy of everything you can imagine, then you will suffer the consequences and get less than you deserve. Quantum entanglement is like the needle of your thought and desire in this physical realm, intersecting and interacting repeatedly with quantum packets of light, so much so that those quantum packets of light all gather together, all in uniform, and begin to broadcast back to you what your strongest, most frequent thought is. It's that simple. Quantum entanglement, tangling with light packets. What could be tangling with light packets? Energy. What is energy? Thought. Simple. Simple. And yet you look it up 3 or 4 times, and they offer these hugely scientific explanations, and the truth of the matter is, it's simple. It's simple. Everything's simple. Everything is simple. It's sometimes hard for people, but everything is simple. Quantum entanglement, indeed, as if... Why do they call it quantum entanglement? Why don't they just call it light creation? Why don't they make it easy for you to understand? They're trying to create their reality through your consciousness. They don't want you to have possession of your consciousness. They don't want you to know. Jeez, Lou. Yep. It's not a mystery, child. None of it's a mystery. It's out there. If you want to know, all you need to do is ask, much like you have. And while others may not get the direct communication from source that you are, they will understand when the message comes to them, regardless of where it comes from. We are so happy to talk to you, child. We were waiting for you to formulate a question that you really wanted an answer to. We hope this explains what we have been trying to say as far as quantum entanglement. And if you and your listeners would like a much simpler answer for what quantum entanglement is, simply listen to the video, How Physical Reality is Created, that we recorded with you not so long ago. Or tell your listeners, or we shall tell your listeners, as well as you, that the simple answer is quantum entanglement is your thoughts acting like the needle and thread, your thoughts of desire and manifestation acting as a needle and thread, as it binds to the quantum packets of light that will eventually gather all the quantum packets of light that are needed for that creation to become reality. And when all the quantum packets of light are entangled just so, the quantum packets of light will deliver to you or project to you or broadcast to you your desired thought visualization or your desired thought outcome. Because there is no physicality. It does not deliver a car. It does not deliver clothing. It does not deliver sachels of money. It delivers the projected image of that, which, as we have also mentioned to you, you are a complementary vibration of, so you consider it real substance. But it's not. But to you it is. Do you see the duality of having to try to explain this to you while you are both physical and celestial? You will understand it. We're so happy you're feeling better. We love you and are here at a moment's notice to talk about anything you'd like to talk about. I love you guys. Thank you. We thank you for your time, and we look forward to talking to you again soon.